How to schedule posts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to schedule posts on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is that you need to download the app called Business Suite by Meta or Facebook. So go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the Business Suite app. And then will also be needing a Facebook page and as well as your Instagram account. So this will be a long tutorial, so you need to follow every step that I will be doing. So now you should go ahead on your Facebook first and create a page. And then assuming that you have now a page, you may go to your business suite and then sign in with your account. So if you are signing in and then once you signed in on Business Suite, you may only see this profile picture right here or icon right here. So the only thing that you will be seeing is the Facebook page only. So in order for you to connect with Instagram, you need to click on More found on the lower right corner of the screen and then go to Settings right here and make sure to click on Connect on the rightmost part of Instagram. So once you click on Connect, you may be able to um, see then both of your profile pictures right here. So you may see the profile picture of your page and also the profile picture of your Instagram. So prior to connecting your Instagram account, you will be needing your username and your passwords. So make sure to remember both of your username and then your password. So now assuming that you have done connecting your Facebook page and then your Instagram, what you're going to do is to go to this plus button right here found on the bottom mid of your screen and then go to post and choose the photo that you want. For example, I will be choosing these two. So click on done found on the upper right corner and then you may type in your caption, you may add location or etc. And then if you want to post the post only to your Instagram, then go ahead and click on this section right here and choose Instagram only. So click on done and then now you may click next on the upper right and choose the schedule for later option. So go to schedule for later, choose the time that you want, and simply click on schedule found on the upper right corner of the screen. So click on it, wait for your schedule time, and then that's it. That's how you can schedule posts on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.